Hi, my name's Tom, and I'm just opening up my above ground pool for the first time this year. And I just wanted to kind of mention the stuff that we use to open and to go ahead and shock our pool every single year now. About 2 years ago, we were having a hard time keeping this pool kind of green and the water was clear. We would shock it, we would add algicide, we'd add clarifier, we were adding all these chemicals, and it just wasn't staying good. It was always cloudy or green, or it was never quite right. The chemical tests were always said something was off. So we talked to our neighbor about 3 houses down, who's actually a pool guy. Like he's what he does. He installs pools and he does pools. And he said, "Oh no. For a pool of our size, this is about a 10,000 gallon above ground pool." He said he largely just uses this stuff, and it's the Clorox Pool 4-in-1 formula. It kills bacteria. It shocks stuff. It kills bacteria. It does work on vinyl pools, which is nice and safe for that. It clarifies. It just seems to work better than all the other shock things and all the combinations of chemicals that we used to use. So what we do is we'll go ahead and shock our pool. We'll open our pool. We'll go ahead. We'll put 1 packet of this in. 1 packet of this, I think, is like for like 12,000 gallons. This is a 10,000 gallon pool, more or less. So we just use 1 packet per pool, and then we do it about once a week. If we had a party or something, if we had a lot of people over, it's been really hot out. Sometimes we'll do it like on a Monday, and then we'll do it again on a Friday. Just kind of double it up depending upon what the chemical tests say. But this stuff actually works really, really well. It's just I don't know what's in it. I don't know what magical stuff is in here, but it works well. Again, I'm going to show you how I do it. You don't want to actually pre-dissolve it. You don't want to put it into the skimmer or anything. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use a pair of scissors and I'm going to cut it. And it smells like chlorine. It still smells like shock. It largely is that, but it has some extra things here. And you can see it's just white powder, just like shock, just like any other stuff. But what I'm gonna do is what I typically do is because my above ground pool is all the same depth. So what I typically do is I just go like this, and I walk around while my filter is running, and I just kind of spread it all around the edge of the pool. And I'll go all the way around here real quick. Watch out for the ladder. I got about half a pack. I'm already halfway around. And I just kind of do this, and it just kind of, there we go. And it just kind of spreads in. Now, it dissolves pretty quickly. You'll see that it kind of goes down. I usually go ahead and put the rest of it out there into the middle. I'll fill the bag up with a little bit of water. Just kind of get it all out of the bag. And there we go. We're done. Now, we want to go ahead and keep our filter on. And I'm going to go ahead and, well, right now I'm not going to go swimming. But normally if I use it during the summer, I will put it in like, I usually put it in about an hour before anybody's really going to go swimming. But it actually says you're safe after about 15 minutes or so, as long as your pump's running, as long as all your chemicals test out. You're probably fine with this stuff. But read the instructions, make sure it fits your pool. But yeah, I really can't recommend this stuff enough. Whenever someone says, hey, I have pool problems, I always say, hey, give this stuff a shot. We just buy a case or two from Amazon, and it kind of lasts us most of the summer. It's really pretty good. It works really well, really well.